Okay, we have some breaking news now coming in here on the biggest story tonight. Let's tell our viewers that we're getting in details from the phone dump analysis by the Enforcement Directorate. That's a breaking news update that's now coming in. Details shared with us by Shravan Sen. And as per the details available of the phone dump analysis, we're getting in information now that preliminary analysis indicates that funds were being controlled by Riya Chakrabarti. This is new details coming out, even as Enforcement Directorate continues to question Riya Chakrabarti, her brother, father, Shruti Modi, her former manager. Getting in details also of Siddharth Petani, her, in fact, who was very close to Riya, but also close to Sushant Singh Rajput. Initial information and preliminary analysis suggesting that funds were being controlled by Riya Chakrabarti. Investments made in the company were being controlled by Riya. Shravan, is this what your sources are telling you? And what is the nature of these transactions? And what sort of controlling are you saying? That what sort of control did you are your sources saying she had?
Well, in fact, the entire phone data dump analysis that has now been done by the Enforcement Directorate. Remember, Riya Chakrabarti's 2 mobile phones were taken into custody. And the phone data dump analysis has now been done along with her father's as well as Shoubik Chakrabarti's mobile data analysis is being done. Now, the preliminary analysis that has been done by the Enforcement Directorate also gives us a sense of the kind of phone conversations that have actually taken place. In fact, the CDR also reflected the same. Having said that, just to put this into perspective with regards to the money laundering angle that is being investigated by the Enforcement Directorate, the preliminary indication is the fact that there have been fund transactions, and not just that.
Shravan, I just, there's one bit of information that I see that you've sent here, without taking names, Shravan, without taking names. Now, the information that you've sent suggests that Riya got in touch with few people from the industry for favorable articles in her favor. Around when were these calls made?
Well, in fact, over the last few days itself, remember, as a lot of questions have been raised with regards to Riya Chakrabarti's entire conduct, not just with regards to how she was controlling the finances, because these are some serious allegations that have been leveled by the family members of the late actor. As far as the Enforcement Directorate is concerned, sources have already indicated that in the last few days, she's actually got in touch with several big directors.
No, one second. Are you saying last few days? You're saying last few days, in the last few days, now, last few days, last 1 week?
Well, in fact, this is the analysis that has been done, because remember, when we talk about the phone data dump analysis, the dump analysis was till about last week. So we are talking about all the kind of conversations that the actor has had with several other people within the industry. Those details are now with the Enforcement Directorate. This essentially indicates 2 things as to the strategy that was essentially adopted by Riya Chakrabarti to basically counter the allegations that have been leveled against her. But what is very important to point out here, without taking any names, yes, we can now confirm that Riya Chakrabarti was actually in touch with several big names within the industry, and not just that, also were hoping that there would be some friendly names within the media industry also. Because remember, there is a deliberate attempt that is now being made by Riya Chakrabarti, which we have also seen by the articles, or for that matter, the information that has been put across by Riya Chakrabarti's lawyer, trying to gain sympathy in this entire matter, given the fact that these are some very serious allegations that have been leveled by the family members with regards to how finances of the late actor was being.
Okay. This is big. So in the last few days, this Bollywood mafia that we talk about, Shravan, this is big because we are now hearing from Shravan that in the last few days alone, and it's very interesting what's happened in the last few days, Shravan, because in the last few days there is another development that has perhaps gone unnoticed. There is a website that belonged to Sushant's firm, where all his mails and the data was secured. The domain of that website has changed. Had emails of both of Shouvik and Sushant. We are told the domain changed, the website itself has gone offline. And we're now hearing of her reaching out to to directors in Bollywood to plant articles in friendly media. Okay, that's a revelation. Shravan, thank you for joining us. We'll take a short break and come back with the breaking news update. Stay tuned. Picking up the details, and the sting operation is coming up next. The sting operation conducted in the Disha debt investigation. We have the full report. Stay tuned.